Okay, stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Okay, woods means it is a jungle. Okay, woods is a jungle or maybe a forest. In your poem is given, not jungle is not given, forest is given. Okay, so that is woods. Wood means not a piece of log. Okay, whenever you find woods added with s, then that is okay, forest or jungle. It is called forest or a jungle. Okay, so here stopping by woods on a snowy evening, that means is okay, that means it's a jungle or forest area. Okay, it is a winter season, snowy, and it is a evening hours. Okay, so in this case that we find okay, the poet Robert Frost is writing a small poem by title Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Okay, so কথা শুনতে okay. Now remember that woods, snowy, and evening. Okay, that means someone is walking. Okay, walking in between the forest. Okay, and he's stopping for a certain place for a certain moment. Okay, certain place for a certain moment. Okay, and enjoying that moment of stopping, isn't it? That means he is stopping and enjoying that moment. Okay, enjoying that moment and okay, the movement of the poet makes a certain excitement that he stops there, stops at certain place, stops at certain moment, and he enjoys that snowy evening. Okay, so Robert Frost, the Frost is a nature poet. Nature poet means he is interested in nature. Okay, or a nature lover, that you say. Okay, he has written a lot of poems based on nature. Okay, if you find a time, you can read another poem is given, Road Not Taken. Okay, Road Not Taken, where Frost explains that how the forest has divided two routes. Okay, the forest has divided two routes or two roads where the writer, the poet, or the person is standing there. Okay, standing there, and he is finding difficult to choose in which way he has to go. Okay, just giving an example. Okay, Frost's idea about saying that the person's decision is based on the object that is in front of the person.
Sir, you are not visible in.
That is not visible.
The same that we said, road not taken, but has taken place.
That is not visible.
Taken. The same thing is happening here. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. What happens here?
It's not clear.
Someone is stopping there and enjoying. Someone is stopping there and enjoying the beautiful moment
that is not clear.
Passing through the forest. Passing through the forest. Author is saying that he is a lover of nature. He is a lover of nature, or nature poet says he is okay, completely fixed on nature, or completely he loves nature. Now, woods is a forest, snow also is belong to nature. Okay, evening also belong to nature. Okay, so these three things that we find, it cannot be created or cannot be made by human person. Okay, as he said, Frost said one of his poems that nature is a mother, and the mother keeps always safe to its children. Okay, to its children. Now, mother, however it may be, or it may be in her conditions, she cannot make a problem for the child. She never makes. Okay, she never makes a problem for the child. Why? By at any cost, mother tries to protect her child. So also, if the nature protects us by any cost. Now, Frost brings out the idea saying that woods or snow or evening, whatever you see, that you find a mirror, isn't it? That you find a mirror, okay, reality and appearance. These two things also is in second year, okay, when you go and study. Mirror, reality and appearance is it. Now, here appearance, whatever you see in the mirror, that is a reality. Okay, and whatever you see in the nature, that also reality. Okay, the nature, snow cannot say lie. Snow looks white. Snow looks white, but it won't say after some time that no, I am red. No, maybe artificially it can be done, but it is okay, by its nature, okay, naturally it is white in a color. Now, woods or the forest, the jungle that you say, this also cannot be in a city place or cannot be said as a plain. Now it is a forest area. Now, in this case, that we find woods of snow belong to a nature. Robert Frost is trying to bring out the two ideas, that is reality and appearance. Okay. Now, in the case of human person, the case of human that you find appearance and reality will be different. Appearance and reality will be different. It won't match to each other. Okay, but in the case of nature, the appearance and the reality remains as it is. So nature cannot say lie. That is why Frost completely based on the nature, or he is just loving to the nature. Now, stopping by woods on a snowy evening, someone who stopped, okay, stopped as he was going, or maybe he was having a journey. He stopped for a moment to a certain place and enjoy the beauty of the nature. Okay, Frost enjoy the beauty of the nature, which is completely reality and which is completely appearance, and they are both similar to each other. Okay, this is a Frost. The Frost, the lover of nature. As I said, why he is a lover of nature? Already, as I said, he is based on a reality. The nature lover based on reality. No cheating, no guiles in the person. Okay. Now, Frost based on the nature or lover of nature means it says he is based on a reality. That means he never say lie to anyone else, or never say, okay, never give any picturizing effect or events, okay, which is not real. Okay, which is not real. In this case, that we find Robert Frost is completely based on reality. Okay, based on nature or based on reality. Clear? That is about the author. About the poem. Now, why did Frost write this poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening? Why did he write? What is his intention of writing this Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening? Why? Okay, so the little idea that we find that I'm giving in introduction is that a poem that he has written, one is he's a lover of nature. One is he's a lover of nature. Second, that he is based on reality. Okay, second is he's based on a reality. That means he knows the truth, or he enjoys the beauty of the nature. Okay, so the poems that he has written. Now, this is his character, or this is his intention of writing this Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Slowly, as we read, we will find a bit different ideas. For introduction, just you remember this. Now, Woods, now a person whose memory remains as fresh as before or as it is or as after some time. Memory is that. And this memory can be, okay, can be bad or can be good. The memory of the persons, that means, for example, when you see something, okay, first time, that is imprinted in your mind. Whenever you find a friends, or whenever you find a time, or whenever you find such similar places, then automatically your mind strikes back, saying that I had gone to that place which gives me a lot of pleasure, or which had given me a lot of pleasure. Clear? So, in that case, the memory can be bad or memory can be good. So, that is a pleasure, as I said. That means it's a good. Maybe you have a very bad memories and that. Okay, you are shocked because of certain incident happened in your life, unfortunately, and you are shocked. Okay, whenever you find such type of incident anywhere, or you see anywhere, then what happened? Your mind strikes back to that the bad events that took place in your life for some time. Okay, that means bad or good. Now, okay, traveler. Traveler is traveling through a woods, through a jungle, or through a forest. He is traveling through a jungle or through a forest. And what happens? This person was attracted by certain pictures on the way. Okay, pictures means scene, that is. Certain pictures or scene, okay, or sight, he was attracted by that. And that is why he stopped. Okay, traveler is traveling and he stopped there. Why? Because something is more interesting, okay, or more excited he found on his way. So he stopped there. Okay, he stopped. Okay, so what is that interesting that I said? That means a snowy evening. Okay, so evening can, okay, evening can he get at home, okay, or maybe in his place, maybe in city, or maybe in a town, okay, or in his house or friend's house, wherever also. Morning and evening he can get it. But this snowing place he cannot get everywhere. This snowy moment, the snowing place, he cannot get everywhere. The snowing place with a certain areas only. The snowing moment is in certain place. Okay, where the writer stopped. Sorry, where the poet stopped. The poet stopped for this snowing moment, the snowing place where he was, or because of which he was completely attracted, and he stopped there and enjoyed that. Okay, the beauty was as such. Okay, the beauty was as such that he could not, okay, could not travel further. Rather, he stopped there to enjoy this. Okay, that means here a sensual moment of enjoyment. Natural pleasure. Okay, or can be sensual enjoyment. That means, okay, whatever you see and enjoy. Okay, the human mind is always attracted to the beauty of the nature. Okay, beauty means not only the nature, anything that you find. Anything that you find, okay, you find on this earth, or among the human beings also, you can find the beauties in it. Okay, so here you find a beauty based on nature or on beings. Being means all living beings, I'm saying. Okay, some people also are there. They're taken by dogs, isn't it? Dogs, puppies. Dog is an animal, isn't it? But they are attracted by, or they are fond of this type of animals. Okay, so that's why I'm saying beings, or maybe one person is attracted with other persons, whatever may be. So there's a natural pleasure that is. So writing of this poem intention, we find three, that is a lover of nature, since he loved nature, and in the nature he finds a reality or a truth or a beauty, and that beauty he wanted to enjoy, and that enjoyment is based on a natural pleasure. Okay, that means you have an instinct in your mind, okay, an instinct in your body, and which automatically gives such type of attraction towards you because of certain thing that you found in front of yours. Okay, just reading out from the books, just listen to me. Robert Lee Frost is one of the most popular and critically acclaimed American poets. He is highly regarded of his realistic depictions of a rural life and his command of American colloquial speech. His poetry reveals a keen interest in the varying beauties of nature. Already I said, okay, critically acclaimed, realistic, okay, and beauties of nature. Already I have explained you realities and beauties of nature. His poetry reveals a keen interest in the varying beauties of nature and the apparently small but deeply meaningful joys and sorrows of ordinary men and women. Okay, as I said, appearance, as I said. Already I have said, explained the appearance. Now, in this appearance that you find, okay, human persons or the human, the appearance is cheated. In human case, that you find appearance and reality will be completely different. Okay, the way you find a person's appearance cannot be same with the reality. Okay, but in the base of nature, the nature that you find, in the nature you find both appearance and reality will be same. So that is why it's given here. The poet is a realistic. Poet is a realistic. Poet is a realistic. That means it's based on reality. Okay. So already said human is based on appearance and reality, which is completely different. But in the based on nature, appearance and reality both are same. Okay. The nature cannot cheat. The nature cannot guile. The nature cannot, cannot say a lie based on appearance. Whatever you see, that is the reality of the nature. That is the beauty of the nature. That is says, varying beauties of nature and the apparently small. Apparently small means, you find a small flower, isn't it? You find a small flower, or you find a small leaves, isn't it? Small leaves of a plant which you can break and throw to the ground. Okay, small leaf can be broken and thrown to the ground. It is wasted. but the small leaves has such a tremendous responsibility to sustain a human being. But the human person, they never understand based on that. So that is why it says, building cannot make you to sustain on this earth. Okay, so here building is building or constructed roads or those things cannot sustain a human life, but it is nature who can sustain the human's life. But those who are constructing buildings and roads, they don't understand that okay, nature whether has that much capacity or not, completely become blind and destroy. Okay, appearance and reality will be varied for human, but the appearance and reality will be same with the nature. Okay, the nature's maybe, as I said, it is a small flower. Okay, it is a small flower, but that flower has a tremendous capacity to attract the persons. That is a beauty, that is a strength of the nature. That is says small but deeply meaningful joys and sorrows of ordinary men and women. Okay, that means here is given a men and women, isn't it? Men and women, and before that is put ordinary. Okay, ordinary men and women. Now, men and women and ordinary, that means they are not a poet or they are not writer, they are not novelist, they are not a composer. Okay, so the writer here, Frost, is a poet. Frost is a poet and he brings out something that he saw. If ordinary men or women would have passed through a forest or through that jungle or maybe through that woods, then what happened? They would have just bypassed those scenes and gone. Okay, but since the frost is this frost is something extraordinary than these men and women, that is why he could able to enjoy the beauty of the nature, and he wrote a poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowing Evening. Okay, stopping by woods on a snowy evening, which is till now existing. Okay, that's why he is not ordinary of men and women. Is something extraordinary. Do you know this poem was a great favorite of Jawaharlal Nehru? Forget about that. Perhaps this poem reminded him of his responsibility. On the surface, this is a simple poem. The speaker stops his horse by some woods on a snowy evening. He takes in the lovely scene a near silence. He is tempted to stay longer, but acknowledges the pull of obligations and the considerable distance yet to be traveled before he can rest for the night. But at the deeper level, the journey through the woods is suggestive of journey through life itself. The speaker stops for a brief time to meditate and realize that he needs to continue his journey. The famous phrase, "and miles to go before I sleep," not only refers to the physical distance of the trip, but also long life ahead of him. In the poem, and feel how inspiring it is. One important line is given. But at the deeper level, journey through the woods is suggestive of journey through life itself. Journey through the woods and journey through the life. Okay, here these two things: woods and traveler is traveling. Traveler is traveling here through the woods, and this woods is physically present in front of the poet. This woods is physically present in front of the poet. Travel is traveling. Okay, the present, that means poet is traveling through these woods, and the woods he found which is physically present. Now that woods traveling suggests to the poem. That means by traveling through the woods, the traveler himself is saying to him that, okay, I must travel to my life. Travel to my life means I should look at my life, how beauty I am. Okay, how much I am worthy to the other. Okay, the snowing place, the snowing moment was a bit worthy for the writer, for the poet, for the traveler to stop his journey. Snowing mountain or snowfall or snow place did not say the poet, you stay here for some time. You stand here for some time, did not say. It is the poet himself, he was attracted and himself he stood there for some time to enjoy the snowing evening. That means without speech, without words, the snowing woods has that much capacity to stop the poet. That means that much value it has. Okay, without saying any words. Okay, that speaks to the traveler to stop there, and traveler stops. The woods, and there he explains this woods and the life. That means woods, a traveler is traveling between through that should suggest to life through the journey. That means you should look into our life. You should okay, judge to your life. You should introspect to your life that how much I am a beauty to the other. Beauty is not the appearance that you find. Okay, that means a goodness in your heart or goodness in your life, that a poet says. But at the deeper level, the journey through the woods is suggestive of journey through life itself. Okay, that means wood is nothing much important, it's a small thing, but the life is a very big one. Okay, one should introspect means look into its life or one's life, and it is very difficult. Okay, so in that case that you find the woods and the life that the poet is saying. The famous phrase says, and miles to go before I sleep, not only refers to the physical distance of the trip, but also the long life ahead of him. That means it is saying that means physically he is traveling through the woods, and that is suggesting to travel through the life. That means he needs to understand his life. Not today, not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, not within 1 week, not within 1 month, but it is all through his life. As long as he is alive, he has to or she has to understand the meaning of life. Okay, at least he should understand or she should understand maybe for some moment I must be valuable. Okay, valuable like a snowing woods to the traveler. If my life does not make any value to the other, then getting a life on this earth is useless. We have got everything, isn't it? We have got everything. We have a speech, words, physical structure. We are able to explain and receive, but still we become meaningless. Okay, in front of a small thing, that is a wood, a forest, snow forest, which cannot remain cannot remain permanent. Okay, it's a temporary moment that is found. Okay, but the life remains for a long time, even though it is not a permanent. But one should understand that. Okay, which is very difficult. That is, it says, and miles to go before I sleep. Clear? This is a introduction of the poem and the poet. Okay, one stanza will begin.
Excuse
Whose
me,
woods
sir.
these are, I think I know.
Excuse me,
His
sir.
house is in the village, though. Hello?
Sir, what is the theme of this poem?
What is the aim of the?
What is the theme of this poem?
What is the theme of the poem? Let me complete it. Let us complete the poem, then I will say you the summary and the theme of the poem. Do you
Okay,
understand
sir.
what the introduction I said? I have taken almost 20 to 25 minutes to explain you. This stanza only
Sir.
very less. Within 5 or 10 minutes, I can complete this poem. But main is that important and Frost's intention of writing this poem. Do you understand? This is supposed to be given for maybe a 5th or 6th class students poem. Okay, but for us is given because we have to understand the background of it. Okay, what is the poet wants to say? Okay, we'll complete this 3 stanzas or 4 stanzas is given. Then I will say the theme of the poem. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything else with the introductions? What do you want to say? Whose woods these are? Just listen, I am reading the poem. I think I know his house is in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and a downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep and miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I sleep. There is no much any difficulty words. No difficult words, difficulties. Already woods I said. Forest. Frozen, freeze. Okay, cold or freeze. ಹೇಳಿ Okay, this is a few words meaning. Okay, you can read it. Or if you find extra other words which don't know the meaning of it, can ask me. Okay. Read the poem and we'll begin the poem next class and we'll complete. Only 4 stanza we have. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then bye. We will meet you next class. Okay, we will meet next class. Okay. कौन ला कौन गल? We will meet in the next class and complete the poem, fourth stanza. Okay. Those who have difficult words, okay, few words I have written, and if you find some difficult words in the text, can ask me next time. Clear?